We are going to make a quick demonstration of the classification solution that we provide. So in first part, we are going to focus on manual classification. So what you see in this screen is a new email window of Outlook. And here you can see three classification levels: public, internal, secret, and of course we can have more classification levels. And as you can see, the send button is not activated. So unless user chooses one of the classification levels, this email cannot be sent. So this feature enforces user to make the classification before sending the email. First, let's choose the public classification level. So when we choose the public classification level, now we can see that the send button is activated. So now user can set the button, can set the email. And besides, we can see one line information about the public classification level. So if user does not understand what does a public classification level exactly mean, he can read the brief information here. And if he wants to see more details and examples, then he can or she can click on the more help button here. And when we click on the more help button, we can see more details about this classification level. And we can see some examples that fits to this classification level. So this is the quick and brief demonstration of the manual classification of email. Now we are in the second part of our demonstration, and in this part we are focusing on the automatic classification feature. Okay, so this email, for example, is classified as public, right? And so we want to see how the automatic classification works, right? So we have created a rule in the background which says that if the word NDA is detected within the email, then email should be classified as secret. Okay. So now let's see if that rule works. So what I'm going to do is I'm typing here NDA and typing enter. So as you see, email is automatically classified as secret. So we did not manually choose the secret. Okay, we just typed the word NDA and pressed enter. Actually, in fact, no need to press the enter. And email is automatically classified as secret. So let's delete the word NDA. So we delete the word NDA, and as you can see, email is automatically classified as public. So let's write the word NDA again. So we wrote the word NDA again, and file is classified as secret, right? So what happens if user wants to change the classification level, right? So we have a rule which advises the user to classify this email as secret, but still we can allow user to change the classification level. So what user can do is, just clicking on the internal. But what happens when user clicks on the internal button is a question is asked to the user. So a question says, you changed an automatic classification rule defined as part of a security policy. Is this correct? So yes, I want to change the classification. No, I want to revert admin classification. So this is something to prevent user from making wrong classification decisions. Okay, so when user sees that he really must be sure to change the classification level. So here, user can say that no, I want to revert the admin classification level. Then again, the secret level is selected, or user can select yes, I want to change the classification. Then this email is classified as internal. So this is the very quick and brief demonstration of the automatic classification rules. Now we are going to make a quick demonstration of the watermark feature. Okay, so this is a Word file. It has some content, and we are going to save this file. As you can see, again, we have the classification levels here: public, internal, secret. and I will choose the secret classification level, and I'll click save. Now you can see that there is a watermark in the background, and this file is watermarked with the words bring secret. So this means that anybody opening this file will see the words bring secret and will understand that this is a confidential property of Bring ID services. And this was about watermarking in Office 5.